This is not just a mirror, it is a piece of your own starry sky. Step into the future of bathing, where romance meets technology. With high color reproduction, every time you look in the mirror, it's like facing the real you. Open with a touch-fast way to open by touching the switch on the mirror. The 5mm high-definition silver mirror design restores beauty. 3-color temperature adjustment: warm light, neutral light, cold light. Adjust brightness. Long press to adjust the brightness of the light. Enjoy the tranquility and beauty. One click to dehumidify fog. Anti-fog memory, considerate care. What are our advantages? Crystal clear, the perfect combination of technology and aesthetics. Double glazing design. The self in the mirror is the most authentic audience. Experience, now embark on your romantic journey. More scene recommendations.